Hello everyone, my name is Eric Chastain and today I'm going to show you how to use the section line and elevation line command. So the first place that they can be found is in the Steelwise ribbon, so you can find section line and elevation line here. The second place you can find these, if you go to the Steelwise menu, go to miscellaneous, you can find elevation line here and section line here. And last but not least, you can always enter the command directly in the command line. And those commands respectively are section line and elevation line. Now when you use these commands, generally I like to use them in the model space where your 3D model resides after you've created some detail sheets. So I'll do these from the top down. I'll start with the section line command. It'll ask me to specify my start point, so I'll left click a start point. I'll left click a second point, and then I'll right click to confirm that. It's going to ask me if I want to keep all lines hidden. Basically what this will do is it'll add some depth to your section cut or your elevation cut. I'll say yes for this one and enter. It'll ask me where I want to insert my section, and I'll say here. So you can see here where these members overlap, it keeps the hidden elements. If I want to regenerate that, I can select this box here via the line, right click, and go to generate 2D section again. This time for keep all lines hidden, we'll say no, and I'll specify another insertion point. And now you can see where it's deleted out elements that are set farther back in your section or elevation. The last thing I'll show you with the section line is you can control the depth of your section. So again, if I left click here on my line, I can pull this elevation back in here toward my building some. And now we can right click on that again, generate a 2D section. We'll say no again and click that insertion point. And now it creates a different section based on what you've cut and the depth that you've cut it. The elevation line works very much the same way. So if I run that command, I can left click to select the start point, left click to select an end point, and then it's going to ask me if I want to keep all those lines hidden again. We'll just let that go, and I'll left click my insertion point, and it's going to create that elevation. Much the same way, I can left click that line, drag my view box down or shorten that view, and then regenerate the view. All these that you create are blocks, so if you double explode them, then you can edit these blocks all that you want to from there. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.